Okay, welcome all in the class. In the last class, we were describing the basic principle of DC machine, and then we described the construction of the machine. While describing the basic principle, we told because of the rotation of the coil, there is rate of change of flux and induced EMF is produced, and that induced EMF in nature will be the AC in nature, but because of the presence of the commutator, it is converted to the DC, and it is called as a variable DC, and later on you will see that it is a normal DC. Then we describe the construction. While describing the construction of DC machine, we told that basically there are two basic parts. One is the stator and one is the rotor. Stationary part consists of the field winding, yoke, they all are the part of the stator, and in addition to that there is an interpole also. We will describe what is the meaning of interpole, why they are connected. Then there is a rotatory part. Rotatory part is a rotor, armature winding, commutator. These are the rotatory part, including the shaft. So, and we described all, about all, something was described about all. Further we will have a detailed discussion on that, and most important of that, out of these various parts of the DC machine, out of various part of these DC machines, the most important is the armature. Armature consists of the winding and rotor. Rotor is the rotatory. In the rotor, as we were describing yesterday, if you remember, say this is a rotor. Inside the rotor, here these are the grooves. Like this, these are called the slots. These are the slots. Slot number 1, 2, 3, like this. And each slot, inside the slot there is a coil. So here it can be a coil. This is called as a coil side. Okay. So let it be a slot. Here it is a coil side number 1, coil side. So what type of binding is actually done? We will describe now this binding, and we know this armature, rotor along with the binding is called the armature. It is a rotor. This portion is rotor, and here there will be binding, and rotor plus binding, it is called as a armature. So we will describe the armature, how the binding is done. So as I told, there can be 2-pole machine, there can be 4-pole machine, there can be 6-pole machine. If you remember, we told here it is a rotor. Inside this there can be a stator. Here it can be stator, and here it is, say, north pole, south pole, then north pole, then south pole, like this. North, south, north, south. So depending upon the for example, first of all we will consider it is a 4-pole machine. It is a 2-pole machine. Here we are considering it is a 2-pole machine. Here what we are doing? We are doing for 2-pole and 12 slots. We are taking as a 2-pole and 12 slots. Each slot consists of one coil side. Each slot consists of one coil side. मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपका in this there is a one coil side. So total number of coil sides are 12. So if we say total number of coil sides are 12 and total number of coil sides are 12, total coil sides are 12 Total number of poles are 2. So coil sides per pole. How much it will be? Coil sides per pole. कितने हो जाएंगे? 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So there are 12 coil sides हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And under north pole there will be 6. Under south pole there will be 6. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? Now how binding is done? Since coil side per pole are 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Now there are two type of binding here. This is coil side per pole. This is called the pitch. This is called the pitch. And these pitches are of two types, long pitch and short pitch. Okay. This is again of two type. This is again two type, long pitch and short pitch. Okay. Long pitch and short. What is the meaning of this? Coil span. Here you see pitch is equal to, or coil span is called the, this is also called as a coil span. So it is a 6. Now 6 plus 1. This is a long pitch, or you can say 6 minus 1. This is 5. This is short pitch. When we do the connection of these are the coil side, now we will make the coil. The two coil side make a coil. एक coil side दूसरा coil side को मिलाएंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? एक coil बन जाएगा. So how we can do? So there are, as I told, there are two type of coil pitch, long pitch and short pitch. So if we want to forward in this direction, then it is a, we use the direction. So we will use this long pitch first, then this short pitch. मतलब क्या हुआ? We will say it is a number 1. 1 will be connect 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to, means we go forward then return backward. We go forward, return backward, go forward, return backward. ऐसा बाइंडिंग बनाते हैं. So if we do 1 plus 7, long pitch, say for example it is 7. It is 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So okay, 1 plus, देखिए इसमें प्लस देन माइनस, 1 plus 7. Be attentive now. So you see 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. Then 3 plus 7 is, we will move like this. बताते जाएंगे. 3 plus 7. What is this? 3 plus 7 क्या होगा? 10. 3 plus 7. 10. 10 minus 5. 5. 5 plus 7. 12 minus 5.
7, sir. 7 is my.
Okay. 7 plus 7. 14 means 2. 14 minus 5.
9.
9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. 16 means 4. 16. Then 16 minus 5. Okay. Then 11 plus 7. 18 means 6. And 6 minus 5. 1. 1 means this. Okay. So 6 means 6 will be connected with 1. Is this okay? So 1 2 3, हाँ नाउ ओके, ये इस टाइप की बाइंडिंग मीन्स इट इज ए क्लोज बाइंडिंग। देखिए नाउ यू प्लीज सी, इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 और कहां पे एंड हुआ, अगेन इट इज कमिंग टू 1, 1 से स्टार्ट किया 1 पे, सो इट इज ए क्लोज बाइंडिंग। ओके, अब हमने क्या किया, दिस इज कनेक्टेड, टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइल, हाउ मेनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइल्स आर देयर, टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉइल साइड्स कितनी है 12, कॉइल्स कितनी है 6, कॉइल तो 6 हो गई ना। ये एक कॉइल लाइक दिस, this is a one coil, so two coil side make a one coil, so total number of coils are 6, so 6 commutator segment will be there, commutator segment will be 6, this is connected with 6, ये 6 है ना, this is connected with 6, okay, so now 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 commutator segments are there. Now again understand it, इसे समझ लें, बाद में आपको फिर दिक्कत होगा। Now there can be, let it here, there are, one is the positive brush, another is the negative, so let since ये जो आपका this is the armature, this armature is rotating, ये पूरा का पूरा armature, north pole, listen, north pole and south pole they are fixed, but they are fixed, north and south, this winding is rotating और armature on the rotor that is rotating, तो ये तो आपका फिक्स हो गया नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल, ये ऐसे वाइंडिंग रोटेट हो रहा है। जैसे इसमें क्या था, एक कॉइल है, कॉइल ऐसे रोटेट कर रही है, तो नॉट ओनली वन कॉइल, इसके साथ में बहुत सारी कॉइल है, ऑल आर रोटेटिंग लाइक दिस, एंड व्हेन दे आर रोटेटिंग दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू द कम्यूटेटर सेगमेंट, दिस इज इंसुलेटर, insulated, each commutator segment is insulated by some insulation, so let here a brush, positive brush, and total number of brushes will be 2, so total number of commutator segments are 6, so 2 are connected, so 4 are the balance, so 2 between the 2 brushes there will be 2 segment, ये छोड़ के आप इसको यहाँ लगाएं, सॉरी, this is C one, ये this is the armature like this, one slot 1 2 3 4 5 6 12 they are rotating, and the commutator segment 1 2 3 4 5 6, और 6 के बाद क्या आएगा, ये 1, ये भी तो ऐसे ही है ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो ये आप यहां से ये कनेक्टेड है। ओके, सो दिस इज ए टू पोल 12 slots winding. Okay, now the further what we will make, just to make it as a simplification of this, what we are doing, say it is a brush number 1, positive brush, and here you see 1 and 8 are connected, we can make it like this, 1 8, then you see 3 is connected, 1 is connected with the 8, and 3 किससे 10, then 5, then 12, okay, this is the brush number negative, on this side 6 11, then 11 में से 7 गया, 4 5 2 7 and 4, is this one clear or not? ठीक है, ये सेम चीज हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है? Is there any difference between this and this? Just to have the simplification, is there any difference between, it is difficult to make it again and again, आपको ड्रॉ करना होगा, this is difficult, this is simple, so in this way practically this is there, but theoretically you can see like this, and this again, if you again understand this you can say 1 and 8, you can make it like this, 1, 8, 3, 10, 5 number, 12 number are like connected, 1 and 6. And here there is a positive brush and negative. We can make the same. This binding is nothing but the same. This is nothing but the same. Okay, is this one clear? ये same है. अब हम ये now it seems to be simple कि ये आपकी binding and this is rotating. दो ब्रश लगे हुए हैं और binding rotate कर रहा है. When the two brushes are connected, then this is rotating. And total number of coils are, how many total number of coils are there? Total number of coils कितनी है? 6. And similarly, if one, two, three, four, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 4 verses. Possibilities are there. You have seen the if there were 6 coils, then you have seen the connection. Now in place of 6 there are 12. So there are 2 possibilities. 6 series, 6 in series, 6 in series, then they are connected in parallel. And like this can be 3, 3 like this. So there are how many means? Here you see number of poles are. Here number of poles. How many number of parallel paths are there? Parallel path. ये यहाँ से divide हो गया ना. There are 2 parallel paths. So number of parallel paths are 2. Here number of parallel paths are 4. And here number of brushes are 2. So number of brushes are 2. So or number of poles are 2. And so if now please listen, there are now listen, there are 2 type of binding. One is the lap binding and another is the back binding. In case of lap binding, number of parallel paths are always 2. Number of lap binding, number of parallel paths is always 2. It is this type of binding is called the lap binding. No, sorry. No, in case of a web binding, number of parallel paths are always, sorry, this is the web binding, number of parallel paths are always 2. And in case of a lap binding, number of path is equal to A, where A is the number of poles. A is equal to P. तो अगर 4 पोल मशीन है, if it is a 4 पोल machine, this can be like this. देखिए, and now we go ahead. अब इसको और समझने की कोशिश करें. अभी तक हमने क्या किया था? The coil is like this. In fact, coil is not like this. Coil भी ऐसा नहीं है. Each coil have the number of turns. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Coil is not like this. Each coil may have say 20 turns. it may have the 30 turns. Means this coil will be ऐसे, this, let it be like this. This is, sorry, देखिए, like 1, coil will be like this. Getting this point or not? Each coil may have the number of turns. It may have the 10 turns, it may have 20 turns. And how it is represented? इसको represent कैसा करते हैं? इसको करने के लिए ये पॉइंट समझ में आ गया आपको? व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाई वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग? मीन इट इज शोइंग द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स. इट मे हैव द 20 टर्न्स. आफ्टर मेकिंग द 20 टर्न, 2 टर्न आर कमिंग आउट. सो व्हेन वी आर सेइंग 1 to 8, it is not like this. It may have the 1 to 8 and number of turns, then finally 2 terms are coming, 2 terminals are coming. Okay, this should be very much clear. One more important thing is, इसके अलावा एक और जो आपका important चीज है, each binding, as I told, binding are of 2 types, lap binding and web binding. What I told, it is a lap and web binding. लैप बाइंडिंग में नंबर ऑफ पैरेलल पाथ कितने होते हैं? लैप बाइंडिंग में बताया, नंबर ऑफ पैरेलल पाथ इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ पी पोल्स. पैरेलल पाथ इज इक्वल टू पी. और इसमें वेब बाइंडिंग में नंबर ऑफ पैरेलल पाथ्स आर इक्वल टू 2. नाउ इज आइदर लैप बाइंडिंग और वेब बाइंडिंग. देखिए, लैप बाइंडिंग में क्या था? वी गो हियर, आइदर वी कैन गो फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड. अगर हमने यहां क्या किया था, 7 + 7 - 5 + 7 - 5, तो ऐसे बढ़ते गए थे. वी कैन डू वन मोर थिंग, +5 - 7 + 5, तो हम बैकवर्ड, मतलब ये यही तो है. इफ पढ़ना है तो 1 + 7 - 5, 1 + 7. अगर हम 1 + 5 - 7, तो ऐसे बढ़ेंगे, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. सो वी कैन मेक इट एज ए क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. अच्छा, इन एडिशन टू दैट द अदर पॉसिबिलिटी में भी,
One time repeat, sir. How can?
जैसे ये 1 + 7 8, ऐसी कर 1 + 7 8, then 8 - 5 3, then 3 + 7 10, 10 - 5 5. सो वी आर, तो क्या हो रहा है, इस डायरेक्शन में आगे फॉरवर्ड बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. अगर क्या ये 2 एक्चुअली, अगर हम इसको यहाँ बना देते देन यू वुड नॉट हैव अंडरस्टूड. इसको समझ नहीं आता. हम 2 यहाँ कनेक्शन करते तो ये ऐसा मिक्स हो जाता ना, आपको समझ नहीं आता. ये 2 वही है जो ऐसा, ये नॉर्थ पोल, ये नॉर्थ पोल, साउथ पोल, फिर नॉर्थ पोल, तो बाइंडिंग बनाने के लिए, दिखाने के लिए, क्लैरिटी के लिए बनाया. दैट दिस 2 इज देयर. ये 2 4 6 यही वाले हैं जो यहाँ छोड़े हुए हैं. ठीक है, तो वो क्लैरिटी के लिए. हाँ, आपका क्या क्वेश्चन था? हाँ, तो 1 + 7 8 - 5. अब उसमें क्या करते हैं हम, 1 + 5 6, 6 - 7 11 हो जाएगा. तो फिर 11 से कनेक्ट, तो हम बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में चलते जाते. तो फाइनली 1 से स्टार्ट किया है तो ये 1 आ गया, तो 1 से स्टार्ट किया उसमें भी 1 आ जाएगा, अदरवाइज दिस इज सेम. So this is the case of lap binding. In the web binding, what we do in the web binding, ये 1 + 7 8, okay, 8 and 8 + 5 13, and finally all are covered. This is the difference. In addition to that, both the binding, Sahil, in both the binding, lap binding and web binding, both are of 2 types now. दोनों 2 तरह का होता है. It can be simplex and multiplex. Multiplex में भी duplex और triplex. जो so far we were describing the slots ये slots है ना, here we have shown these are the slots. In what we have described so far, in a slot there is a coil side, but there may be, each slot may have one coil side, each slot may have two coil sides, each slot may have more than two coil sides. So in normal way, coil side number 1, coil side number 2, 1, 2, 3 ऐसे. But if each slot have the two coil sides, means coil this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, मतलब ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 बाइंडिंग विल बी सेम, जैसे यहाँ बाइंडिंग हुआ था सेम, ओनली इट विल हैव द डबल डुप्लेक्स, so it is called the duplex. It may have the 4, it may have the 4. Each slot may contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then we can do numbering and binding, everything will be the same. In this way we do the bindings. So I think after this you might have understood what is the, आपको क्या समझ में आ जाया होगा, what is the armature, what is the rotor, what is the winding, what are the various types of binding, what are the lap type, what is the web binding, lap binding, then what is the coil side, what is the coil, what is the turn, okay, and what is the pitch, what is the coil span, what is the long pitch, what is the short pitch, okay, what is the simplex, what is the duplex. You might have covered, you might have understood these terminologies. Okay, यहाँ तक इस terminology में अगर किसी को कोई problem हो, then you can ask. And if you have not understood this binding, then practically you will have the problem. In theory we can move ahead. You can do the numerical. In the numerical, binding is not required. Concept, the binding is not required. But how actually it is happening? If you understand the binding in detail, then the concept will be more clear. You will have the inside impact of the machine. Otherwise, as far as numerical characteristics testing is concerned, the binding, the detailed binding is not required. Only to understand there is a binding inside this. Okay. So any question in this? If you again.
So please repeat the simplex and multiplex again.
If now please see, if the each slot, we know in the rotor there are slots. In the slot there is a one coil side, then it is called the simplex. And if it have